I mean, I'm seen as a Ford person, but I actually love certain Holdens, you know. I love Tiranas. I really actually love this. G'day there, John Bowe here. Now this car, I think, is very, very nice. It's a VP Calais, 5 litre, but it's enhanced HSV engine, which apparently you could do in those days. So it's got a, you know, it would be quite unusual, but it's absolutely legit, genuine. I like cars like that. It's got the original wheels. It's all nice and tidy. It's straight. It's done 129,000 kilometres, which is pretty low K for a VP. And you know, it's a beaut car. Like if you're into Holdens and it's the top of the range, it's a Calais. So add that to the fact that it's got an HSV enhanced engine, it's pretty desirable. Let's take it for a drive. And this VP Calais, it drives really well. Like it's a 92 model, so it's getting sort of quite classic now, but it drives great. It's quite modern. The engine HSV enhanced, which you could sort of option your car up, and it's really responsive. I'm not sure on the kilowatts, but you know, it's like this could be an everyday car, everyday classic, to be honest. It's nearly 30 years old, isn't that crazy? It drives like a modern car. This is a really sweet car. This would be a great car for someone.